Here's what Tesla's futuristic diner with drive-in theater and supercharger could look like. Get out of here. They're doing that? They're supposedly doing that?
That's what he wants, yeah.
Well, I'll sign up for that.
Yeah, this looks like a jam.
You think it's going to look like that?
This kind of looks like the future, but time traveled back.
Yeah,
like
you're talking about Back to the
past.
Talking about Back to the Future?
Oh, wow. Look at you. You know what I mean? It's very retro style.
Future back.
Future back. Instead of Back to the Future. Future back.
This looks like the future, but back.
He always wanted like a Tesla diner.
Well, this is like replacing the gas station, right?
Mm-hmm.
Well, right now, all the superchargers are already at those type of places, right?
Mm-hmm.
Where you could go into the mall, get something to eat. I've done it before.
Yeah.
Really?
If it's like a standalone section of the street, it would be kind of cool.
You go into
Theaters.
you go into the diner. I don't know.
Get some milkshakes.
One weird thing here is it doesn't look like there's enough parking spots
No.
for as many people as you could have at that diner.
Yes. Yeah, I agree.
And definitely if you have those big screens playing movies, how am I watching them?
I think you're watching it on the roof. Like you sit on the roof. They got the tables there,
Yeah.
and then you're watching.
It's not enough tables.
Yeah, you're right. It's not enough tables.
There's 8 people can watch.
Well, Elon, you got to put more tables there.
I don't know. It's just they jammed it into a tight. I feel like I'm in Los Angeles again. I need more space.
Right. Yeah.
Yeah, okay.
I need a little more space around. Will, can we agree on that?
Well, yeah. Well, the idea is there.
The idea is there. Tesla's futuristic diner with drive-in theater and supercharger station is finally becoming a reality. The project has been in the works for a long time, all the way back in 2018.
Mm-hmm.
He wanted an old school drive-in, roller skates, and rock restaurant. Wow. In Los Angeles. Is he joking? A few months later, he applied for building permits, a restaurant and supercharger station at a location in Santa Monica. However, the project has since stalled. No, it's definitely a cool idea. They're talking about a semicircular 2-story diner with 29 supercharger stalls and 2 movie theater screens. And this entire render is based off, I guess, architectural drawings, plans.
Mm-hmm.
Very futuristic. Yeah, let's see some more angles on it. I see a Cybertruck in there. Cybertruck looks huge in LA, at LA scale. Here's some different angles on it.
They got the stars in the sky. What is that? It's not even stars. It's like meteors.
Meteor shower, maybe.
Chemtrails.
What does it say? Don't panic.
Spotify warning. Yeah, I'll go. You do it, I'll go. Yeah,
Okay.
you do it, I'll go. Very cool. I like it. I like these type of things. I like these type of ideas, ways of thinking about how, what to do. Imagine going to charge your car was an actual event.
Yeah.
Like a thing you look forward to do.
Right. Let's meet at the gas
No one looks
station.
forward to the gas station.
No.
Certainly not in 2022. Shout out, Andre.
Get a Elon burger.
Hmm.
You know, from his diner.
What about an Elon dog?
I
A
don't
long
want
dog.
A lawn dog.
that. Yeah, why not?
It's a long dog. I guess, right?
Right.